departing from the ramp, crossing runway 2381 Quebec.
Okay, we ready? Seatbelts are all on.
We're ready. Ready, Madison? You okay?
Roger, 81 Quebec.
So right away here we leave the airport, we're over the FAU campus. There's a new stadium on the left there. Okay, so you want to keep your eyes outside, looking at the distance to the horizon, shoreline, somewhere around there. Alright, here I'm going to give you with your right hand. There you go. Okay, nice and easy. You should just be able to hold it in the position that's set. Easy on that. Alright, you have cycler. Here we're coming over Lighthouse Point. It has quite a few more canals in it. Okay, so on our left here you can see the Hillsborough Inlet, the Hillsborough Lighthouse on the point there. There you go. Just hold that left pressure in. We'll keep our turn. We'll turn all the way around so that we're facing back up along the coast. There you go. Just hold that in. As we come around here, you can see the reef on our left. Okay, we're just going to come a hair aft. There we go, just like that. Just north of it, the Hillsborough Mile, or the Millionaire Mile as they call it. You get a couple of real nice large houses. That one that's under construction with the trucks in front of it, I've been told is Adam Sandler's house. Really? Yep. Deerfield fishing pier sticking out into the water in front of us. This building has rooftop swimming pools on it. Pretty cool. So on our right here, this is Boca Raton Inlet, which leads right into Lake Boca Raton, which is that square body of water on the intercoastal there. The big pink tower on the left with the pink buildings underneath it is the Boca Raton Resort. See, we're coming into the airport here with the runway running a little bit to the left and right there. You know, it's pretty much coming in sideways to it because we're a helicopter and we're cool like that. How do we like it?
Pretty good.
You enjoy it? Yeah? Good?